Good evening to all. I'm Karthik from IT department, and my topic is the sacred ring of Payanur. So these are all the contents that I am going to speak. Like we have the creation, history, and the ring shape, and then Trimurti Chaitanyam, and then the commercial aspects of that ring, and the ring's popularity, and the news that are all speaking about the people. And first, the ring creation. So we know that divine touch from God's own country is the Piano Pavitra Modiram. So this ring should be worn in the right finger of the right hand and is believed to bring luck and prosperity to that one's life. The jewelry is noted for its Pavitra Ketu and intricate knot design. And then the Piano Pavitra Modiram is an exclusively gold ornament with a matchless mythical tradition, as we can see the Modiram image in that PowerPoint. So they are all produced by some extended families in the Piano village of Kannur district, and the origin of this unique wonder is closely related to Piano Subramania Swami temple. And then the king's history. The origin of the holy is associated with the history of Piano Subramania temple, and this temple is used to insist on wearing brass rings while performing the holy rites. Later on, the prices switched to gold rings for the purpose of durability. And also, a traditional craftsman take a whole day to that one ring. So, and then the people who are all wearing, they won't eat meat or drink alcohol during their lifetime to become a holy artisan. And the next is the etymology and the shape. The word Pavitra means purity, and then the Modiram means ring. Both these words are from the Malayalam language. So there are the three lines on the outer surface of the ring, and they represent the three rivers of the human body, like Ida, Pingala, and Susmana, as we can see those three ring in the image. So these combinations of the three rivers can awaken the vital energy or Kundalini Shakti in human beings who are all wearing that sacred ring in the right hand. And then this next one is Trimurti Chaitanyam. According to the beliefs of Piano Hindus, the wearing of the sacred ring can awaken the power of three gods of Hinduism, like Brahma, Shiva, and Vishnu. And there are rigorous rituals to be followed by the maker of the ring and the person who is wearing them. So, as he said before, they won't eat any meat or alcohol, and it's totally prohibited in their lifetime. And then the woman who are wearing that ring, they used to remove the ring during their menstruation. And then the ring is given to the customer only after being sanctified at Subramania temple in the piano. So the next one is the commercial aspects. In commercial aspects, the piano Pavitra Modiram is being expected in many museums around the world. So this Modiram will be available in many museums. And then the noted freedom fighter of India, Sri C.V. Muhammadu, was an expert in making this holy ring. The concept of the piano holy ring has been commercially utilized. Many jewelers came to make original piano Pavitra rings. The vendors claim that the ring can bring a high level of enlightenment and inspiration in the person using it. Only holy ring can cost from $400 to $1,500 according to the quality and range. Now, this ring is made of 22 karat gold. So we can see that the official website is given below. So if you are free, just check to this Pavitra Modiram. And then the next one is the popularity and its news. Piano Pavitra Modiram is being exhibited in many museums around the world. So the noted freedom fighter Kundu was an expert in many making this holy ring. So I have said earlier. So we can see the image given below. So in the news we can see the more details about the ring. So thank you. These are all about the sacred ring. So thank you.